NumPy array. Shapes and axes. Part A. In this video, let's learn about array shapes and axes. We'll be looking at creating multiple dimensional arrays. 0, 1D, 2D, 3D and also printing the dimension of the array and the shape of the NumPy arrays. Let's first import the package. We can create a zero-dimensional array using np.array method. Let's pass a scalar value. This has created a zero-dimensional array. 0D arrays are scalars, which are the elements in an array, and each value in an array is a 0D array. Let's create 1D arrays. 1D arrays are unidimensional and have 0D arrays as its elements. This is a one-dimensional array. Let's go ahead and create 2D arrays. 2D arrays have 1D arrays as their elements. They are also called second-order tensors, or they are often used to represent matrices. This is a 2D array. Now, let's create 3D arrays. 3D have 2D arrays, or matrices as their elements. This is a 3D array. We can look at the dimensions of the array and also the shape of the NumPy array. Let's copy this into a variable. We can print the shape of the array and also the number of dimensions using the dot shape and dot ndim respectively. This would print the shape of the array, and that's 2, 2, 3. Finally, the number of dimensions. We can also create NumPy arrays based on the dimensions we want by using ndmin parameter.